Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDRAW tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to convert your text into shape in CorelDRAW. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do here is to go ahead and let's say we go to our type tool right here. So I select my type tool. So this time around, I will just go ahead and make a type. So I'm going to come here and type circle just like so. The next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and then increase the font size. Then I can as well make it bold right here. So this particular text right here, how do we convert it to shape? So how do we convert this particular text into uh, different shape? So I can make a duplicate of this, press Ctrl D. So this one here, we can make it, we can change the text to fish. Okay, so I have fish right here. Then I can make a duplicate again. I can call this snake. So I'll go back to my type tool. I'll call this snake, just like so. Then we have about three different texts right here. So how do we convert these three different texts to shape in CorelDRAW? So let's go. First thing first, we need to come to the top right here. We have to make sure we go to effect. Under the effect, we make sure we look for envelope right here. Envelope. So go ahead and click on envelope, or you press Ctrl plus F7 on your keyboard, then you have different envelope right here. Now, by default, you have different types of shapes right here. So what you need to do right here is to simply go ahead and select shape, and in a few seconds, it's going to automatically convert to the actual shape you choose. If you are not satisfied with that, go ahead and select another one. You have another one right here. So if you are not satisfied with that, go ahead and select another one. You see this one right here. You see another one right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and come back to this right here. Then one more thing here is that you can as well change the format. You can come to copy right here. You can make it vertical right here. So original right here. You can switch to different format. This is horizontal. Then you can use this. You can adjust the load from the point right here and twist as much as possible. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. That okay. Now let's go ahead and select other shape right here. So here we are looking at fish right here. But in this regard, we can easily change the format right here, just like we can straight line mode, we can also single arc mode, and we can also work on double arc mode as the case may be. Let's say for instance I want to work on single arc mode, so I'm going to select on single arc mode. So I can change from here, so you can see a single arch mode right here. So everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. And select this and adjust from this angle right here. So if you are satisfied with that, and then you are going to go, let's go ahead and check on the snake right here. So here we have so many presets, envelope layout right here. So let's say for instance, I'm looking at, let's take a look at this, or this, or this, or this. You can choose as many as possible different format, switch to coffee, and then you can easily switch back to another layout style right here. So take a look at it. Then we can as well edit this. Click on select mode. Then you can use your arrow key to drag up and down as the case may be. Then you can also keep the line. You can also create envelope from this, and then you can also copy property from this to another. Let's say for instance I'm trying to uh, draw a circle right here, or a rectangle right here. So having drawn the rectangle, I'll make sure I click on the rectangle right here. So I can copy from any of these property right here. So I can decide to come here now and click on copy envelope property. So I'm going to copy this, and it's going to form another shape as the case may be. So if I decide to draw a circle, control key down and draw a circle right here, I can copy this part, this snake style right here into the circle. And for that, I'll go ahead and click on copy from envelope. So I'm going to copy from this envelope right here. It's going to be best, or better still, I can copy from this fish right here, it's going to give me that kind of shape right there. So I can easily position it in the shape. So I can increase the size, adjust the shape right here, and then I can easily select everything right here, then C and E just to make a proper alignment as the case may be. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to use CorelDRAW, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.